Another day, another food adventure, another rampage, another laps. Tara, join me!
Alright, another hidden gem in Quiapo is Resto Mondragon. Tatry natin yung kanilang famous na lechon silog. Tatak na tayo.
Located at 227 Carlos Palanga Street, Barangay 306, Quiapo, Manila. The nearest landmark is Quinta Market in Quiapo. Mismong nasa tapat lang siya. Simple lang din yung establishment. No frills and gimmick eatery.
May free soup sila, so higop muna tayo. Sarap. Sinigang yata to. Lechon kawan. Lechon silog. Thank you po, ate. Lechon silog. Their specialty. Try natin. Sizzling lechon silog for 109 pesos. So, ito, Java rice, tapos meron ng sunny side up na itlog. And then, of course, Mang Tomas. So, ang pinaka-landmark dito is in front of Quinta Market. As in, tapat na tapat lang siya. Tapos, makikita nyo na agad. So, let's dig in. Let's try. First bite. Siyempre, gusto ko yung may egg. Yung malasado. Kasi perfect combo siya.
Champion talaga yung sizzling lechong silog nila. Other than that, they also serve sizzling sisig and yung bestseller din nila na bulalo. Budget meal, prices start at 70 to 250 pesos. Sobrang menos.
They also serve palabok with lechon kawali, bulalo. Sod na nga tayo dito sa Resto Mondragon.